Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Smart TV tips and tricks. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to massively uninstall any apps as much as possible, as many as possible from your Google Smart TV in a single click. You can select as many as possible apps in your Google Smart TV and do massive delete or massive uninstall to free up storage space on your Google Smart TV. Instead of you doing it one after the other, you can do it all as it. You can do it all in one, and a single click can do that for you. Let me show you how on your Google Smart TV. For the first thing, what to do right here is to go back to the home page right here, and then from the section here, this is where you need to start the settings. For that, you want to make sure you look for setting icon on your remote control, or better still, come to the top right here. Make sure you navigate to settings icon right here, click on OK, and then it's going to take you right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you proceed to apps right here. Click on apps, and it's going to take you right here. Then you have your Google Play Store right here. In some cases, if you cannot find Google Play Store here, go ahead and click on see all apps. Then scroll down right here. Scroll down right here and go to show system apps. And just like so. And the next thing you want to do is to continue to scroll down. 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 Continue to until you get to Google Play Store. Go ahead and click on OK, and here you go. The next thing you want to do here is to simply click on open, and just like so. And the next thing you want to do right here from your Google Play Store, you want to make sure you navigate to the Google account of that particular Google Play Store on your Google TV. So for that, you want to make sure you come to the top right here, slide this right side, and then take you to the profile icon or avatar of the Google account on that Google Play Store of your Google TV. And the next thing you want to do right here is to slide this way and make sure you navigate to manage apps and game, click on OK, and then come down below right here where you have free up storage right here, click on that. Then here you go. You have all apps right here. Now you can select them one after the other and then do a massive delete of unnecessary and unuseful app on your Android phone, on your Google TV. So for that, I'm going to select this and I'm going to select this. So I have about 2 apps selected right here. So next thing we want to do is to navigate to the sidebar right here and then go ahead and click on uninstall and then click on it. And in a few seconds, boom, you have uninstalled successful, which means that this particular app here, they are no longer in your Google TV and you have more storage space right now. You can delete as many as possible apps unuseful. Even the system apps can be removed in order to free up more storage space on your Google Smart TV. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how to use your Google TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.